and they are quiet. So you're gonna do the exercise for 40 seconds and take a break for 20 seconds. Repeat that as many times as you want. I hope this helps. Incorporate this in something you're already doing, or feel free to use this as a start to begin to move your body. And if you are ready to take it up a notch, you can always add a weighted vest. You can always add dumbbells. So I hope this helps you move your body in a quiet place before your family wakes up. I'll see you on the next one. Holla.